Elon Musk predicts home values will decline. I like Elon sometimes, but he might be off his rocker with this one. I mean, first, home value declines, and now he wants to fight Zuckerberg? As the kids would say, bruh. Are you good with green?
Yeah, no, that's good.
Okay. That's good, man. White, gray, or? Oh, we'll forget, don't worry.
There you go. We're good to go.
First, Elon. Zuckerberg has been training. You're shaped like the Cybertruck, and Mark as well, ripped and trading with Adesanya. Come on, man. I digress though, let's dig in. Elon simply tweeted this: commercial real estate is melting down fast, home values next. Nothing else, just the tweet with no supporting evidence. But he is a smart man, so I'm sure there's some method to his madness. He may not be accurate on home values, but I do believe he's right on the commercial real estate crash. I mean, look at some of these ominous headlines right now. What's happening with the office sector is apocalyptical. Great title, but damn. Here's another one. Commercial real estate crash sparks bank collapse fears. There's many more, but lastly, commercial real estate crash still looming over the US economy. So we've been heavily focused on the challenges on real estate and lending, but for the last couple months, couldn't help but look over this commercial real estate crash while focusing on real estate and lending. And for good reason, guys. I'm not sure the commercial real estate situation will impact housing, but I do think it will have an impact on the economy and certainly banks. I mean, let's visualize the problem for a minute, and for that, we'll leverage one of our favorite sites, Visual Capitalist. Take a look. Currently, we have 1 billion square feet of empty office space. It's staggering when you really look at it. 48,000 floors of empty space around America, a record high, by the way. To put that into perspective, 48,000 floors would reach the thermosphere, which is where the International Space Station orbits the Earth. As a result, commercial real estate is set to lose 30 to 40% of its value in 2023. Obviously, vacancies, value destruction, and lack of demand is a huge problem for the banks that own these properties. More so for smaller regional banks, as commercial real estate represents about 11% of their total assets, versus the bigger banks. They're more properly leveraged and diversified, as commercial real estate only represents about 5% of the total assets. Credit tightening in general is already started and happening in every sector of the economy with all banks, but this would exacerbate this even further if we start to see major losses in commercial real estate. Now, commercial real estate being the operative word. Yes, this is a concern. And without demand for commercial space, a solution is really difficult. Maybe we turn these things into affordable housing or something along those lines, but we believe Elon is off in his prediction that commercial real estate would impact home prices. After all, we did dig in a little bit further to his tweet, and he does walk his reasoning out on an interview with Tucker Carlson. Problem is, the only reasoning he gave to home prices crashing were higher interest rates, and we all know that he's already wrong there. Higher rates haven't been fun, but they haven't crushed home values. Matter of fact, they just rose again. It may be the first time in 5 months, but they're still rising. What do you guys think? Is Elon right? Will the commercial real estate crash impact home prices? Weigh in the comment section below, and for all those home buying and selling fence sitters, rates improved 200 basis points this week alone. If you think home buying is hard now, wait till rates come back down and there's another stampede of buyers making multiple offers driving up prices, guys. So now might be the time to get back in. Now might be the sweet spot for all those sellers and home buyers. Again, guys, share this on social, comment below. See you next week. And Elon, don't fight Zuck. I don't think it's a good idea, bud.